You've got a couple of people, haven't you?
Yeah, probably
It needs miscue and end up in the tree. Foreign language. This benefit Britain. The only way I can get it. I won't go that way, mate. He might come lower when he comes up again.
Oh, it's a little bit.
Oh, she is high now.
I just want to get my camera.
Well, he's too high now, my darling. Right, if he comes lower. Is he running out of what? What they run on?
I don't know, he was sitting back there with his legs crossed in the chair.
Yeah, and then he crossed that way again.
You're filming him?
What's that on his ear?
Yeah, okay.
So he looks as though he's moving down. How can they just come lower?
He was earlier.
Huh?
I said he was earlier.
It's way down there. Ow. Let's turn around again. Yeah, let's turn around again.
Yeah, he's much too high now, though.
What is he doing?
I reckon he'll come down and have a look in the back